I can feel there is somebody.
This is the content I came to the internet for. Drama queen dog versus this cat.
Takes away my fears, lets me know that
This cannot be real life, that. The determination followed immediately by disaster. Iconic. This husky literally spawned from under the sofa just to choose violence against that shoe. Full speed, zero brakes, total chaos. Someone get.
Putting this in my top 5 of all time. Look at those tiny fluff potatoes failing the gravity test. That landing? 0 out of 10 for grace, but a million for cuteness. Stay.
This is me every Monday morning, and I will not explain further. This cat just blue screened in real time. Brain cell? Gone. Goodbye. The hero nobody asked for has arrived. This leafy green stalk just sparked a full-blown feline wrestling match. They were vibing 1 second and throwing paws the next. Nature's catnip is clearly a combat sport. Who knew a weed could?
Guys, ini mau jadi model, mau difotokan cuman nggak bisa karena apa posisinya. Jadi ini aku record sambil foto. Ya Allah, duduklah sini dulu. Luli mau ambil fotonya berdua loh, biar kayak foto keluarga. Sini, stop. Stop dulu, stop. Miko, kucing Luli. Miko. Ini alah, gantengnya, oi. Ini kok BPJS udah urus belum? Masih nak mengacau aja. Awas lah, ada pontot dia pula. Mas Miko. Allah. You tengok matanya, ya Allah. Jadi ini behind the skin sebelum fotonya aku upload ya, guys.
5 million views later and it still gets me. This cat is a whole mood. Ultimate judging face. He looks like he just saw.
How long was the planning phase for this? 0 seconds? Gustia is out for the count. Total nap time domination. That chin lift? Pure luxury. She's not just sleeping, she's charging for a 3-hour Zoomy session later. Sweet dreams, tiny queen.
Aman ya, pokoknya mah ini badannya gede doang. Makannya banyak gitu ya. Gemesin tapi bikin kesel juga ini dia teh. Cerewet banget kalau mau minta makan. Dasar embul.
What do you think, Whackers Bonkers? Get them. Ooh, you naughty Whackers Bonkers.
tiny face of pure regret gets me every single time. Our boy thought he was the Riz King until she literally flopped. Now he is buffering like a lost router. Talk about failing successfully. Go home, buddy, you are.
She cry already. Quick. She know you come to her.
Scooter! Hey! Scooter, come here. Come here. What are you doing? Okay, got it. Got it. Got it.
And this is why the internet exists. These two judging your life choices is everything. Those faces. Stay humble, humans. Goodbye.
Bulu-bulunya cantik, tapi tidak tahu urus. Kasihan. Ditemukan di jalanan.
No way this actually happened. This kitten just got totally outplayed.
Punya kucing gemuk, kerjanya makan terus. Setelah itu
This is either genius or catastrophic. Probably both. This doctor has 4 paws and 0 medical degrees. His diagnosis? You're suffering from a severe lack of snacks. Better pay up immediately.
con mèo này.
Cho nó xoay ngang.
Con đến con lợn ngân đấy.
Xoay ngang người.
Không phải con mèo đây.
Ngân mà.
Con mèo, con mèo.
Thế bố bắt đầu cho nó cái điều không kêu không? Sao không kêu thì gõ phát. Cho nó nhiều.
3 seconds in and I already knew this would end badly. Look at those giant ears. He thinks he's a stealthy jungle king, but his buddy is just a gray lump of chaos. Total fail. Someone tell these cats that.
This is why I have trust issues with.
My name is Bo, and I'm studying to be a attorney. My name's Cody, and I'm training to be in the Feline Bureau of Investigation. I'm Daniel, and I make hairball art!
Guys,
Stop what you are doing and watch this right now. These fluffy potato butts are glitching across the pavement. Are they even walking or just hovering by?
bakal kalian apakan guys? Coba berikan komentar.